What's going on, guys? I'm just streaming till homegirl slides through, then I'm gonna bounce. So that's probably like 45-ish minutes. You'll know when you hear the dogs bark. Then I gotta go do things. Anyways, how you guys doing tonight? I'm here. What up, prime time? I got another corporate cringe video coming out right after this, so that'll be fun. Tristan, what up? Jose, dude, you're always here. How? Jav, how are you doing? Ben, I'm okay. How about you, man? I gotta post this in the Discord. Dude, you got an interview? Nice. Miss you too. Gucci Snack, what up? Brick, how's it going? You're my inspiration. I'm just a regular guy, just doing the do. Thanks for your advice. Glad it worked. Jason, Journey Gaines, what up, dude? How you guys doing? Y'all want to see the make sure I'm not gonna get doxxed. Y'all want to see today's thumbnail before I release it? You want the naked ones? Alright, James. You always go live around midnight when I want to go to bed. Josh, your resume got me interview. Shameless plug. Everyone says it's just scammy stuff, right? Like my resumes and they're just scammed, you know. Like, bro, I know how to write a resume. I can write good cover letters. I'm very good at professional writing and writing in general. Let's have a group hug. Let's have a group hug. Raymond, how's it going? Tracy, how's it going? So I tried to switch up the schedule. So tomorrow, so it's live stream video, and I was doing a video live stream instead, and I have to reverse the order because then I can wake up and do a live stream and then have the rest of my day to do the video, and then same thing the next day. It was really difficult to make the video during the day and then try to get it done and then release it and then go live, because when I'm done I'm just like, oh, I don't want to do this anymore. What are you gonna call your scam cult members? We're called Fluke Loops. That's what we're called. Toasty, what up? Cribs, how's it going? Welcome aboard. Jesse, welcome. We're just doing some questions, some Q&A. Let me find his thumbnail. You guys can see. It's Corporate Cringe 4. Here. It's pretty. It's just. No, wait, that's not it. It's called Just Why. How's your week going so far? Did Shroud get banned or something? No, it's just like Shroud's Twitch title is just always just chilling. Mo man, welcome. I know someone who writes a ton of business emails, so they're good at writing business emails. I've written so many cover letters. Current height and weight? I don't know. Weight doesn't matter to me. Weight doesn't matter, but I'm 6'2". Where's Patrick? Dude, I don't know. Patrick doing something. Here, this is today's video. Corporate Cringe 4. Just why? Why would you ever post this on LinkedIn? Tossing back some shots. This kid looks underage AF. And then there's Coder Barbie. We have Teacher Katie. Oh man, it's gonna be a good video. That face isn't for the thumbnail. That's my actual face. That's a screenshot from the video. That wasn't just me. Wait, are they doing shots? Yeah, they're doing shots. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. You'll see. They're not at work. But he's posting it on LinkedIn and he's tagging his work. So it's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you running? That's my favorite meme. Why are you running? Yeah. And the ladies laugh in the background. Oh my gosh. When you guys hear that. What's your opinion on culture fit? I don't know. You either vibe or you don't. It's pretty obvious in the first few minutes. How do you deal with burnout? I don't get to burnout. I always stop before I get burnout. Or I'll do something else. I'll do something unrelated, you know? Ryan, what advice would I give to someone just starting a YouTube channel? Yeah, you're gonna have to cross-post to a bunch of places. Don't just make videos and wait. Don't just wait around for views. That's not how it works. I don't know what music is playing. I just have some Epidemic Sound in the background. Works for me. If you're interested, can you please take a look at Coding Dojo? I start in September. Wondering what you think. Coding Dojo doesn't have a guarantee. So that's what I think. So yeah. And there's not much I could say now. You're already going. What, do you gotta get your money back? Because that's what I would do. Top 3 languages to learn right now: JavaScript, Python. That'll take you where you need to go. Wife was a contractor. Second day on the job, they had an open bar, and one of her fellow contractors. You got a new job. My leaving has caused extreme chaos at my old job. What do you think of me helping them part-time as a contractor? No, I don't think that you should. Because, no, if you're gonna go back and help them, you better charge triple. Were those nano leaves in the back worth it? They're not LED certified for my camera, so they flicker. It's good ambient light, but I can't actually point the camera at it and turn it on because it will just flash like we're in a rave. Gabriel, what's up? What time you posting the video? Video goes live when this live stream ends. This live stream ends, I don't know. I got a girl coming over. She said 8 o'clock. So, whenever that happens, I'm gonna bounce. And then we gonna bounce. How do you get past the overwhelming feeling of learning code from scratch? You don't get past it, dude. You go through it. Go through it. No getting past. ARS, it's not just tonight, dude. It's like almost every night. What's the music? It's this playlist. Whenever you hear my dog start freaking out, I'll look out the window. I'll see if she's here. Then, peace out, stream. Go take care of some stuff. Coding Dojo is 3 full stacks. Yeah, but no guarantee. No guarantee, no go. There's no skin in the game. What's up, Jake? Why don't you make full stack tutorials? I don't like making tutorials about code. It's not fun for me, and it would show in the video. I have code tutorials. I have like a whole bunch of code tutorials that I have written down that I'll put on my site as courses, but I don't want to put them on YouTube because it's just like, if you guys want it from me, fine, I'll give it to you. But I'm not just gonna put it on YouTube because that's not my thing. And you get courses on React. Tyler McGinnis's course. Thoughts on the data science program on Lambda? It seems to be pretty good. How was Europe versus the USA? I mean, you can't say one is better than the other. They both have things that are better in different areas. I don't know. There's a lot of people that make full stack tutorials, you know. Why do you want to see it from me? Go watch Traversy. He's your go-to guy. Go watch whatever, Coding Train or whoever. There's so many people that teach code. That's not my thing. Michael Reeves stole Josh's music. We're all using Epidemic Sound, so we all have access to the same thing. Watching your videos keeps me going. Keep doing you, dude. I will. What do you mean by guarantee? I mean, like, you get your money back in 6 months if you don't get a job, or you don't pay anything until you get a job. That's what I mean by guarantee. Otherwise, you might as well just go to college because there's no guarantee there, and at least you get a degree. Yeah, Code with Mosh. Whoever you want to watch, whoever your favorite teacher is for code, you know, go watch them. That's not my thing. Code teaching market's super saturated, and it's super boring to write thumbnails or to make thumbnails for coding, like JavaScript tutorial React context. What do you put on a thumbnail for that? Your face and React context and a big smile? Like, I don't know. It's just not creative enough for me. Would you rather live stream or upload videos? I like to do both. Live streaming takes time. I have to be here to do the live stream. That's why being a Twitch streamer isn't the greatest, because you have to be there, be live to be able to make more money and generate more revenue. I can film all day, come home and edit when I want, upload it, and then walk away. Live streaming doesn't let that happen. Live streaming is fun for engagement. I'd ask for a raise. You need to write down everything you did that you think that brought money to the company and go in there and be like, these are all the things I did that brought money to the company. Is there any way I could ask, have a percent raise, because I think I've earned it. This is, me being here 3 months, 6 months, that doesn't matter. I brought you guys a bunch of money. Is it okay to keep your portfolio basic? Yeah, dude, definitely keep it basic. Just got a job as a dev at CVS Health, and they're switching to Agile. They're trying to get more relaxed environment. What do you think? Should I negotiate to 40 hours from 25? What? I don't know. Do you want to work there? That's your thing. Recruiters are overpaid. Yeah, pretty much. Fluke Duke. What? I thought you advised PHP. PHP is good. I like PHP. How much has meditation changed your life? When I remember to do it, it just makes me slow down, Slow down. Josh, is that how you really feel? Type deal. Is that how you really feel right now, Josh? Or are you just being a little baby? If you have Python, do you need PHP? Yes, if you get a PHP job. When he gets an interview, explain it. Thanks for the reply, Jason. What? Fluke Nation. What up, James? James Lee? Money or savings? What? What type of games do I play? I was playing Halo just a minute ago before I went live. I was playing a few rounds of Big Team Fiesta. And then before that, I came back from the gym. And before that, I was editing this video all day. Now I'm just waiting for homegirl to slide through. Then I gotta go be the plumber. Clean some pipes. Meditation makes me fall asleep. You're not supposed to lay down and do it. What are your top 3 books? Unscripted. Gary Vee's crushing it. Millionaire Fastlane is good, but it's gonna be not as. It's pretty similar. Zach Jones. No, dude. You do you. Top 5 must-know libraries? I don't know. I'm not really a Python dev. Probably Flask. Probably. I mean, whatever. Where's Brandon? He's in Virginia, where he lives. Get a PS4 and play some Battlefield 5. I'll play Battlefield 5 on my PC. What are your thoughts on doing VFX? VFX is great. I love VFX. There's just no... The amount of... Like, you don't... When you do VFX, like explosions and... Like, superpowers and stuff, you go by frames. You don't go by scenes. You go by actual frames, like slide by slide. That's how you do That's how you do VFX. And there's just not enough time in the day. Sometimes one little 15 to 45 second clip will take you all day. And YouTube prioritizes 10 plus minute content more frequently rather than one great big video. So the market for VFX is terrible. You have to move around, chase a bunch of tax cuts that countries give. It's awful. But I love VFX in itself. It'd be fun to do it on my own. You got a dev at CVS Health. They're switching to Agile. Should I negotiate to 40 hours after direct hire? Why are you only doing 25 hours contract? Have you played Doom 2016? No, is it good? Looks good. Everyone says it's good. Brandon Adams, what up? Vazri, what up? Got a junior dev job at a startup that will require me to work on a project using Angular. I have no experience with Angular. They're hiring you based on potential, man. They're hiring you because they believe you can learn it. So they believe you can learn it, Moise, but you don't think that you can learn it? Come on, man. You can learn it. Do you believe in alien life? There's that famous phrase, right? We're either totally alone in the universe or we're not. And both are equally frightening. Enjoy your night. Gonna go code. All right, man. Have a good one. What do you know about digital nomads? Digital nomads are the way to go when you don't have a mortgage and when you don't have car payments and when you can just live that life. I would have done that, but I didn't expect to ever get here. I didn't expect to ever do YouTube forever. Are you kidding me? Per hour, not hours, $40 per hour. You're gonna jump from $25 an hour to $40 an hour. If you're going direct hire, you're gonna get a salary. Are you also streaming on Twitch? Yes, but I have to do them separately. Best website to learn code? What kind of code? How do you make the design of a software? I don't. Jeff, what up? I saw one that was there. What do you think about the stack I'm using? Django Chan. I don't know. Brian, I wish I could say more. I just don't know enough about it. Seems like what to learn depends on where you live. I live in Sacramento and everyone is lamp stack. Do you want to live in Sacramento? I'm more of the... Alright, homegirl says we gotta go out for food. I'm starving. Do I hit her with, I have sausage? That's my go-to. She's, oh my god, Josh, that's not funny. Stop. Well, why can't I be dinner? I don't know. Just joking around with her. What was I saying? I like live streams. Interacting creators is fun. I'm just a regular guy like you, man. Took a full stack job. Didn't know React, Redux. I'm doing well. Yeah, man, you'll be alright. What do you think about selling websites on Fiverr? I'm not planning. Just want to know your thoughts. Fiverr. How are you going to drive people to you? If you're a new person on Fiverr, unless you get lucky, you're going to be on the very, very back page, and there's already a bunch of people that are doing website design. So how do you get your service separated? You need a brand. You need traffic, so you can pay for Facebook ads and put your Fiverr service there. But then why wouldn't you just do the service directly? If you're going to run Facebook ads to do your Fiverr service, why not just skip Fiverr and just have it go straight to a website that you made? Why is your YouTube URL Tychos1? That was the name of my hunter that I had when I played WoW all day, every single day. I was thinking about making a video on gaming. I got a lot of comments because I mentioned gaming. Oh, another person that said to stop gaming. No, it's not like that. It's just I did learn some stuff from gaming, but I didn't learn. There was a lot more time gaming where I was just gaming and time was going by than when it was like, you know, I actually enjoyed it. You guys ever like bought a bunch of games and then all of a sudden you don't want to play any of them? That was what happened to me. Ask her, does she like jalapenos? Ooh, Brandon, you nasty. Every other day is tacos. I love tacos. Thank you for the $5, Jason. I appreciate you. Awesome, man. Where's my voice? Where's my text to speech? How much does Fiverr charge in fees? Does anyone know? It's probably like 10%. I know that Upwork takes 20% unless you're in the upper tier, and then they lower it down. What do you think about Brad? Brad's a cool dude. Brad's a cool dude, but he won't collab with people. He doesn't like the attention. And I've never asked him to collab. I think he watches my videos, but he's not subscribed because I can see. I think he just occasionally checks in. I would never ask him for a collab. There's way too much that he would give me than I would give him. Right? He's almost got like 800,000 subs. He's got a lot more to give me than I do for him. Wait, a homegirl slide through? This might be the shortest stream in the history of streams. Homegirl did slide through. Alright, chat, I'll be back. One moment. Alright, someone take over. Y'all take over. I'll be back in a second. All right, confirmed. I've negotiated 20 more minutes, chat. Then I'm gonna bounce. Who's the lucky girl? Can't say. Can't be doing that. Can't be trying to get that clout for no reason. They don't. That's not how it works. Some girls are like, "Hey Josh, can I be on the stream?" And I'm like, "No, you can't." Let's meet her. No. No free Instagram followers. Joke's on you. It's Tracy from the chat. Let's see. Send it. Yeah, I'll make an extra one for you. Greatest dating tips. Don't be a pushover. Probably. I thought you were married. I was like past tense. Josh is tough. You guys know how it is, you know. Everybody's like, "Oh my god, you're an influencer." Wow. The sexiest thing you can say in 2019 is like, "I have more followers than you," and they're like, "Oh my god." It's Tracy, yeah. See Tracy O in the chat? That's her. She's the one. Ben, that's never happening, so no. What are you drinking? I'm drinking a double gulp of America. Welcome to the United States. Dropped out of Lambda school. I'm learning from Steven. All right, dude. Good luck. Tismo. What's wrong with that, man? What's wrong with that? Any good free ways to learn code? Man, there's so many free ways. You got the Odin Project. You got Free Code Camp. You got Code Academy. You got... I think Code School got bought out. That'll get you started. Should I go full stack or back end? Full stack has back end. So the question is, do you want to do both or just one? Josh, a lot of talk about debt. What about doing well and going after scholarships? You can go after scholarships. Why not? If you think you can do it and get that free money, get that free money. What are some marketing strategies for selling game apps? Post in different places on free air, you know, self-promote. You got to be shameless in your self-promotion, and people hate that, and it's going to feel really cringe when you're not used to it. I hate shilling. I hate it. In all of my videos where I'm like, you could check that out, link in description. Every time I say that, I'm like, I die a little inside. But I'm like, get over it, Josh. You got to go to different websites like Reddit and Facebook groups for game dev and programming, or programming languages that you use to make the game, or Unreal forums or something, or Unity forums, or whatever it is. What do you think of the current state of college education in the U.S. besides CS? I'm talking about young people who go into, young people who get useless degrees in the United States, and they're in for a nice, like, world of hurt. Their job's probably going to get automated, or they end up being the guy at Best Buy that sits between the double doors and makes sure that you don't steal. Nothing against that guy. I'm just saying, useless degree, useless job. Actually, it's not a useless job. Just by having a Walmart greeter, theft goes down by like 80%. Because you like, when you look at them and you're like, hello, it like guilt trips people into not stealing. That's the only reason they exist. They're not there to make your experience better. They're just there to guilt trip people into not stealing. You mean a BA in studies? Yeah, definitely not. Do you like being a cynic for real? I'm not always a cynic. It's just with corporate stuff. Thoughts on the cloud? I like the cloud. Do you think Twitter is important to have if I have a clothing brand? Twitter is not very engaging. Twitter is very, very shallow, and Twitter is very... If you think Reddit's toxic, man. First robotics scholarship? Yep. Too many choices in open source has confused people on what to use. Hold on. There's just a spider on my microphone. No big deal. What's your opinion on career stability in web dev? There's no career stability. There's never career stability. There's only job skills security. That's it. That's the best you got. What you can do, what you can pull out of your back pocket at any time. And even when you get a job, you should always be looking for another one, just to know that you can, just to keep your skills fresh. You'd be like, well, when should I start looking? You can look from day one. You don't gotta take the job, but if you get a job offer that's like more money, when you like it, bye. Do you play Overwatch or Paladins? I probably play Overwatch. Thoughts on Utah? I might make a video about that. But Utah's a great place for tech. There's a lot of tech jobs. Utah basically has no manufacturing and no engineering here. We have mining, and we have like a couple manufacturing for medical devices, and then one other place. But there's really not a whole lot of like natural resources besides mining. Everything else is imported and built here. But for tech jobs, it's good. How's my dad doing? He's been sick, but I talked to him today. He seems okay. I'm trying to read all the questions. What do you think about cloud certifications? Cloud certifications are good. Web dev certifications are poo. One guy left this huge long paragraph about how certifications in web dev are awesome, and then when people post them on Udemy, they should be happy and proud. I'm like, cool, dude, you could be happy and proud, but the employer's not going to care. So when you don't post it, great, but don't put it on your resume and expect that to hold any weight. Best social media networks is best to have for starting a brand. Instagram has the most engagement for free. LinkedIn also has a lot of engagement, and YouTube. Facebook is okay, but you got to pay. Jagged OP, dude, I'm good. Hey, man, how are you? So you always have to be aware about the need to move elsewhere? Yes. Devin, Yeet, what up? What up, Pocket? I like your opinions. I think you talk real talk, but you're a bit passive-aggressive, like a chip on your shoulder. You're correct. You know, I'm never going back there, so I can be as real as I want. I can be as cynic as I want. Do I think all jobs are crap? No, look at Patrick's job. He's got a great job. He likes his job. I'm sure you guys got good jobs. I just never got that lucky, so I play my cards. How to explain job gap due to health issues without sounding pathetic? Just say I had to take a break to deal with some medical issues. That's it. Or you could do the Josh way. You know, are you telling him to lie? No, I mean, that's up to you. Do you want to be honest about Mr. Job Gap and be like, I had a job gap? I'm not gonna tell you what to do. You know what to do. Do you think getting a Mac Mini is a good investment? No. No, you can get a regular Mac. You can get a Windows and put Linux on it. Jason L, what up? What do you think of LDS in Utah? I don't have any thoughts on that. Josh, how did you get so real? I got divorced. I was abandoned with no money in Finland for like 6 months. Ate ketchup and toothpaste sandwiches. That was great. Got my Lambda badge today. That's cool. Just don't put a lot of weight into it. How you have fun in Utah? Oh, you can do anything you want in Utah. What PC are you using? Custom built. It's Corsair mostly. Ernst, what up? I don't know. I just had to struggle. That's how I got so real. I've struggled and just struggled and struggled. And I don't want to be the victim, because if you play the victim, then you're just going to be sad and pathetic. But I could talk about it. I could talk about it. I'm over it. Well, except for the corporate, right? They could take it. But yeah, toothpaste sandwiches. Yeah, you got no money, man. Finland's expensive. You start looking at things like food that's not supposed to be food. They ended up turning me down because I didn't relocate to Vancouver. Oof. Are procedural and MVC models enough for... Thought my phone buzzed. Yep, this should be okay. When did you start programming? I was 24, 25. Do you live in Europe? I live in Salt Lake City. Use your freelancing. They don't care about freelancing. You can say I have a job gap, and you can be like, I was freelancing and working on personal projects at the time. And they're going to be like, we don't count personal projects as real jobs. That's what they said. Josh, what were you looking at? Like food, like that wasn't... Look, man, you don't got money. You got like 20 cents in euros, which is enough to look at, but it's not enough to eat or get anything to eat. So you try to You try to find ways to survive. That's it. You start stealing ketchup packets from the cafeteria, from the student cafeteria. You try to slide a little bread out, walk up, get a salad. Did I pay for the salad? No, but I was hungry. I had to graduate. Did you eat out of trash cans? It's not my proudest moment. Who doesn't eat toothpaste? Yeah. Why'd you move? I got married. Fam. I was married. Employers don't like freelancers. Employers don't like freelancers because they know that you can do it on your own and you don't need them. You play Roblox? I don't. Bacon flavored toothpaste. That sounds disgusting. I don't put a lot of weight on the Lambda badge. I do put a lot of weight on the 7.5 months. Yeah, exactly. Definitely the projects and connections are what do you eat crayons? Sometimes. Oh, did I eat crayons? No, not then. I eat crayons now. Taking oatmeal packets? No, it was never like that. That's not how it worked. In Finland, it was all apartments, and you take the trash out directly. No one had trash cans. How'd you get out of Finland? I got a job, and they moved me back to the United States just before I got deported. This guy doubled his subs in 2 weeks. Not quite. Hopefully, we get there. Josh, can we build reputation by working on open source projects? Absolutely. Employers love open source projects because it shows that you're coding when you're not getting paid to do it. When making Android apps, what is the best language to learn? I know Java, but can you use Swift? iOS, Objective-C. Oh, wait, what am I talking about? You said Android apps. Java. You use Swift? No, you could do Kotlin if you wanted, but Java should be fine. That double gulp, dude, it's mixed. I got some Coke Zero, some Diet Pepsi, and some Diet Dr. Pepper. Super weird. Thoughts on WeWork? Isn't that like the So WeWork is a co-working space, right? So you want me to pay money so that I can go to an office. What? That's what that is. You want me to pay money monthly, a lot of money, mind you, to go have a fake office so that I can work. No, I think I'll stay home here with my dogs. Why? What? What programming language would you advise me to learn? JavaScript, Python. You ever feel like your brain wasn't made for software engineering? Did I have a knack for it? Nah, dude. I'm not the best developer. Go watch me trying to struggle through React. Like, I barely remembered React. I was like, what am I doing here? Everyone's like, Josh, this is the easiest stuff. And I'm like, you're right. I'm not the greatest dev, but not for lack of trying. I went to all the bosses and they were like, sorry, we don't have time for this. Well, I mean, I'm okay, but I'm not like Patrick. Patrick's a good dev. Patrick's probably better dev than me. But I don't do it that much. It's not my thing. I'd rather do game dev. Working on my channel? Nice, dude. Freelancer is a flight risk, correct? How long have you been coding? 4 years. Do you freelance or just YouTube? I don't freelance. I don't want to build other people's stuff. I want to build me stuff. That's really selfish, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. I don't want to build websites for people. I want to build Josh courses for Josh and then sell those to people. Would you prefer to live in the USA or Finland? I live in Finland in the summertime and USA any other time. Can you explain why you should not take internships? Yeah, because you're going to get paid less than a junior dev, but you're both going to have the same skill level. Let's say you're a junior dev for 6 months, and then you get that junior dev. Or let's say you're an intern for 6 months, then you get that junior dev. Well, the guy before you that just put his 6 months in, and he became a junior dev, he's probably not that much better than you. But he's getting paid a lot more. It's just a title to pay you less. Did you ever build things at work in your personal time with ME? No, I spent all my personal time, all my downtime at work trying to figure out a way to get away from that because it was the worst. Got let go because I wasn't a good culture fit in the mood to binge your channel while browsing. Oof. Yeah, dude. I know that feel. I wasn't a good fit. That's exactly what they said to me at my PHP job. You're just not a good fit. You know what else they said to me? They said, Josh, you have an engineering degree. You're not like these other people here who have like a master's in English and can't find jobs, so you'll be fine. And I was like, I agree with you, but you're a total douchebag. Are you done with coding? Not really. I would never just be like, I'm done. Like, I had an idea. I wanted to make a little robot like Simon Gertz. Or I wanted to do like some Houdini and go out, take some mega scans of my house and then put it in Houdini and then it destroy my house, put it in a video. Just, that'd be fun. How many years you been coding? I don't know, since like 2015? What's the theme of the stream? Acting, coding, or what I watch anyways? There's no theme, we're just talking. You aren't a good culture fit. That's all right, dude. Think about it like this, man. If low key people are thinking that they don't want to work with you, why would you want to work with them? Like, if someone is like thinking all the time, like, yeah, he's just not working out, why would you even want to stay there? Like, if I know that you're thinking behind my back, like these people that post Reddit about me, right? They come from the Discord. They're watching me. They're following me. They're watching the live streams, but then they go behind my back and start talking about me. That's what your coworkers are doing at that job. So why would you even want to work there? I don't want to work with people who don't want to work with me. You should negotiate another 20 minutes. Now we got 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes left. Any directions for modern database stack? SQL should be okay. Yeah, not a fit. It's just business. That's what that is. Fantastic. What up? Let's talk conspiracy theories. Nah. Michael Reeves style. Who's that? How do you cope with stress during work? Susanna, how do I cope with stress? I usually work out for a while, or I stop. I take a break. I just stop working. I don't think me being in my chair 8 hours means that I'm working for 8 hours, and I think that's the case for most people. So I'm gonna go work out for like 3 hours and come back, and I'm still gonna leave. I'm still gonna leave at my regular time. Because right now I'm done. I got nothing. That's what I did at my job, and they were okay with that. I was like, look, man, I give you everything I got, my best hours in my morning. I'm giving you everything I can, and then I gotta bounce. I'm gonna go work out because my brain is it's a potato now. It's just all saturated. The sponge. I got nothing left to give. I'm gonna go work out. I'll be back when I'm back, and then I leave at 5 or 4. It was 1 for me. What do you think about agile? I don't know. It's just like a buzzword kind of deal. Regards to internship, what if it's the only way to get experience in less than 8 hours? I still think it stands true. How many hours necessary? William, you need 432 hours, 62 minutes. 62 minutes, not 433 hours and 2 minutes. 432 hours and 62 minutes. Hello from Ireland. Catherine, what up? How dare you say that? Yeah. Is it required to get resume review? Mark, hold on to that, because I'm about to leave in like a minute and a half. Gotta hang out. That big gulp, though. You know. I don't understand why income share agreements are credit-based. Well, they want to check your credit, probably to see that you have a history of paying back stuff that you took loans out for. Do I really like your video when you're looking at BS jobs? All right, chat, you guys want to see today's video? This is today's video. So we have 50 seconds left before I bounce. It's been good chilling with you guys. This is the stream that goes live. They're doing shots. What's the plan for tomorrow? I might do some more garbage jobs, might do resume review. I don't know. Don't have one. Just make things, you know? So this goes live in 30 seconds. So if you guys want to hop on over there with me right now, do the premiere, I'll launch it. Here we go, boys. Public, premiere. It's 4K, so extra crisp. Here we go, boys. It is live. Are they taking shots? Yeah, they're taking shots. They're taking shots and they tag their job. And the lady's laugh is oof. All right. Here we go. All right, boys. Do you do a video explaining your revenue one day? I do my revenue every night, every stream. Today, what am I at? My ad revenue today is... Oh, let me turn this off. 4K. Dude, it's 4K and I let it process, so you can't even get mad. My revenue today is $13,116 if you would like to see. All right, so I'm gonna head out. It has been real, my guys. I will see you in the premiere, and I'm gonna go get some food with Homegrow. I'll see you guys later. 13K for one day. Now that's past 30 days. It's a rolling 30 days. You run this live stream at the same time daily. It varies. Tomorrow it'll probably be in the morning, but I appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out, chat. I'll see you guys in the premiere. Maybe do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up. Leave some comments. Not for the algorithm. Leave the comments because it's cringe. All right. Thank you. All right. I'll see you guys later at tomorrow's stream. Love you all. Bye.